Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Want to torch some calories but short on time? In this video, I've got 10-minute fat-burning workouts you can crush right at home, no fancy equipment needed. Stick with me, and let's get moving. Let's start with some powerful moves to fire up your heart rate. Here are 3 exercises. 1. Jumping jacks, 45 seconds, then rest for 15 seconds. 2. Burpees, 30 seconds on, 10 seconds rest. 3. Squats to press. Grab a water bottle or any weight, work for 40 seconds. Don't worry if you can't keep up at first, just keep going. Short bursts of effort are the key here. Next, let's target the core and those stubborn areas. Try this. Plank hold, 30 seconds. High knees, 45 seconds with a 10-second rest. Mountain climbers, fast as you can for 40 seconds. You'll be done in no time, but these moves will get your sweat on. See? It's quick, effective, and you can fit it into any part of your day. Do these exercises back to back for 10 minutes, and you'll feel the burn. If you liked this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. What's your favorite at-home workout? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Want to know other guide videos? Then subscribe.